Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Today, we will start with the lesson number 7 Food. These are the learning outcomes of the lesson. Students will be able to describe the importance of food, explain different types of food, classify the food into the different food groups, impart knowledge about variety of nutrient present in food. Students, you have learned about the importance of food for human beings and other animals in the previous class. In the previous class, you have learned about different types of food obtained from plants and animals. These are the food items which we add in our day-to-day life. Now, what are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances present in our food. Nutrients provide us energy, help us to grow, keep us healthy, disease free, and strong. Students, we eat variety of foodstuff in our routine and they contain different type of nutrients. As we have learned that nutrients are the substances present in our food. They provide us energy, help us to grow, keep us healthy, disease free, and strong. And these are the nutrients found in our food: carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins, and minerals. These are the main nutrients found in our food. Now let's classify the food on the basis of the functions performed by them. Now food is divided into three parts: energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. But these all nutrients, they are very important for our body, and these the food we eat, they should always provide various nutrients to our body so that we can stay healthy and strong. Now we will start with energy giving food. Energy giving food again divided into two parts: carbohydrates and fats. Our body needs energy to do all types of work in our daily life. Carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients that provide energy to our body and thereby help it to perform various functions. Now, foodstuff containing carbohydrates and fats are therefore called energy giving food. Now, carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients which give energy to our body and help us to perform many functions. Rice, wheat, maize, sugar, potato, honey, and sugar cane. These are the main sources of carbohydrates. Now fats. Fats not only provide energy to our body but keeps our body warm, and we get fats from butter, oil, ghee, nuts, meat. These are the rich sources of fat. Now, Beta, do you know 1 gram of carbohydrates gives about 4 kilocalories of energy, while 1 gram of fat gives about 9 kilo of energy. Now, bodybuilding food. Foodstuff containing proteins are called bodybuilding food. Proteins help our body to grow and repair the worn out tissues. Even the foodstuff containing proteins are bodybuilding foods. And what are the function of proteins? They help us to grow and repair the worn out tissues. Different food item contains different types of protein. Our food should therefore include more than one source of protein to fulfill our needs. Now, these are the sources of proteins. We get proteins from milk, cheese, pulses, nuts, eggs, and fish. These are the main sources of food from where we get proteins. These are the bodybuilding foods. Now, protective food. Protective foods are containing vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the nutrients which protect our body from diseases and keep us healthy. Now, if we come to vitamins. Vitamins protect our body from diseases and keep us healthy. There are different types of vitamins needed by our body: vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. Now, main type of vitamins that help us to stay healthy and disease free. Our body needs vitamins in very small quantity. They are present in different food items, and we should include all such food items in our routine. Now, vitamins, their sources and their functions. Vitamin A. We get vitamin A from spinach, carrot, milk, butter, eggs, yellow fruits like mango and papaya. And sources of vitamin A are spinach, carrot, milk, butter, egg, yellow fruit, mango and papaya. What are the functions of vitamin A? They are necessary for our good eyesight and healthy skin. Now come to vitamin B. Vitamin B we get from green leafy vegetables, soya bean, milk, beans, peas. And what are the functions of vitamin B? It is required for healthy skin and proper functioning of the nerves. Now vitamin C we get from orange, lemon, amla, tomato, green vegetable. Mostly we get from citrus fruit. Citrus fruit वो होता है जो थोड़ा खट्टा होता है. We get vitamin C from the citrus fruit. Now, what are the function of vitamin C? It is needed for proper functioning of blood vessels, for keeping gums healthy and for healing of wounds. जब हमें कोई चोट लग जाती है तो विटामिन सी खाने से हमारी चोट जल्दी ठीक हो जाती है. Now, vitamin D we get from sunlight, milk, eggs, butter, fish, cod liver oil. And what are the function of vitamin D? It is required for healthy bones and teeth. Today we get vitamin D from the sunlight also. Our body makes vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Now vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for strengthening our bones and teeth. हमारी bones और teeth कैल्शियम से विटामिन डी से और भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाती है. हम दूध पीते हैं. मम्मा हमेशा कहते हैं कि ऑलवेज ड्रिंक मिल्क ट्वाइस अ डे. 2 times हमें मिल्क पीना चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज़ गुड फॉर आवर बोन्स एंड फॉर टीथ. Besides vitamins, our body also needs many different minerals for staying healthy and active. Now let's start with our minerals. Minerals: calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine. Minerals are needed by our body in very small amounts. Now calcium. We get calcium from milk, green leafy vegetable. And what are the function of calcium? It is required for healthy bones and teeth, and we get from milk, green leafy vegetables. Now phosphorus. Phosphorus we get from milk, egg, fish, green leafy vegetables and pulses. And what are the function of phosphorus? It is also needed for healthy bones and teeth. So calcium and phosphorus both are required for healthy bones and teeth. Now iron. Iron we get from pulses, nuts, spinach, beans and apples. And what are the function of iron? Why we eat iron? Why we add iron in our routine? It is required for the information of hemoglobin in our blood and to protect us from infections. Again I am repeating, it is required for the formation of hemoglobin in our blood and to protect us from the infection. It protects us from infections and diseases. Iodine. Iodine we get from iodized table salt, seafood like fish and prawn. Bete fish and prawn, they are the aquatic animals and we get these from the sea or oceans, and the seafood, sea water is always salty, so we get salt from seafood like fish and prawn. Now, why it is necessary for our body? Because it is necessary for normal growth and development of our body. So, today in this video, we have learned about different type of foods and the food on the basis of their function performed by them. So, in this video, we have learned about different food items and their functions.